And hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about blockchain technology. You might have heard this word, blockchain, many times. But most people still don't understand what it really means. So let's start. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital record. It is like a notebook on the internet, where every transaction or information is written. But here is the special thing. Once data is written on blockchain, it cannot be changed. That is why it is called secure and trusted. Think about it. If you write something in your diary, anyone can erase it or change it. But in blockchain, once it is written, nobody can change it, not even the owner. Why blockchain is important? Now, why is blockchain so important? Because our world runs on trust. When you send money, you trust the bank. When you sign a contract, you trust the lawyer. But blockchain removes the middle person. It creates trust through technology. This means, you can send money directly to another person. Without a bank, you can sign agreements without a lawyer. And you can trade without a broker. Real-world uses. Now let's see where blockchain is used today. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are digital currencies built on blockchain. Banking, banks are testing blockchain to transfer money faster and cheaper. Supply chain, big companies use blockchain to track products from factory to customer. This makes sure goods are not fake. Voting systems, some countries are testing blockchain for online voting because it is transparent and secure. Future of blockchain. The future of blockchain is very bright. Experts believe it will change finance, healthcare, education, even how governments work. Just like the internet, blockchain will become part of our daily life, maybe in the next 5 to 10 years. So in short, blockchain is not just about Bitcoin. It is a powerful technology that makes data safe and trusted. If you want to succeed in the new digital world, you must understand blockchain. If you learned something new today, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.